Tired of dash cams that overheat or fail when you need footage most? I researched 5 dash cam for Uber drivers option, filtering the ones that actually survive long shifts according to real use. What I found about interior IR night vision will save you from losing your account over a false claim. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5. This one speaks directly to rideshare drivers who need that interior cabin view. We've got the Vantrue N2X 2.7K dual dash cam. A detail that comes up repeatedly in opinions is the dual recording setup. Front camera captures at 2.7K resolution, while the interior camera runs at 1080p with IR night vision. For Uber drivers, this means you've got both the road and your passengers covered with a single compact unit. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor is the key spec. According to reviews from people with months of use, it captures license plates clearly during the day and handles dark cabin footage beautifully for those late night pickups. One former rideshare driver mentioned they've gone through multiple dash cams over the years, and this is the first that actually delivered on voice command. That says a lot about real-world reliability. What users who've tried it highlight most is the magnetic mount design. The adhesive stays on your windshield, but the camera detaches easily. Useful when you want to grab the SD/card or take the unit inside between shifts. Now, here's what you need to keep in mind. The base unit doesn't include everything. For parking mode, you'll need a hardwire kit sold separate, and the Wi-Fi connects your phone directly to the camera, not to the cloud. So you've got to be near your car to review footage through the app. The 5G Wi-Fi makes transferring videos noticeably faster than older models. GPS logs your speed and location automatically, which can save your skin if a passenger ever makes a false claim about an incident. It handles temperature swings well thanks to the supercapacitor instead of a battery. That said, budget for those accessories up front so there are no surprises. For drivers who want solid protection and peace of mind without complicated wiring, this gets the job done. The link is in the description. Moving on to number 4. A detail that comes up repeatedly in opinions is the interior cabin recording quality. We've got the COOAU 4K dual dash cam with built-in GPS. If you've ever worried about a passenger making false claims, this was built with that peace of mind in mind. The interior-facing camera captures the cabin at 1080p/, while the front lens handles /2.5K. That's enough detail to potentially save your skin if someone reports something that didn't happen. What users who've tried it highlight most is the IR night vision inside the cabin. 4 infrared LEDs combined with a Sony Starvis /2/chip deliver black and white footage that looks almost like daytime. For those late night airport runs or weekend bar closing shifts, you're covered. According to reviews for people with months of use, this thing holds up through brutal summers. The manufacturer claims it's tested from -4 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Drivers in Arizona and Texas mention it keeps running through those long 12-hour shifts without overheating or shutting down. The built-in GPS logs your speed and location directly onto the footage. If there's ever a dispute about where you were or how fast you were going, you've got precise data backing you up. No extra modules to buy or mount. Now, here's what you need to keep in mind. The parking monitor feature requires a hardwire kit sold separately. Without it, you won't get that 24-hour surveillance when the engine's on. One more consideration. It's a dual cam, not a 3-channel setup. There's no dedicated rear-facing lens for what's behind the vehicle. For pure rideshare protection, though, front and interior coverage handles most situations you'll actually encounter. Loop recording supports up to /256 gigs, and the G-Sensor auto-locks footage on impact. Solid value for drivers who want interior IR quality without overspending. The link is in the description. Moving on to number 3. This one stood out during research because it ships ready to record right out of the box. We've got the Terunsoul 3-channel 4K dash cam. If you've ever worried about false claims from passengers, this directly addresses that concern. The 3-channel setup captures front, rear, and cabin footage simultaneously. The front and rear both record in true 4K resolution, while the cabin records in 1080p. That's 3 angles of coverage working together to save your skin if something goes sideways during a ride. A detail that comes up repeatedly when analyzing the specs is the cabin camera's IR night vision. It uses 4 invisible infrared lights that record clearly in complete darkness. For those late-night pickups, that interior cabin view stays sharp even when passengers can't see any visible red glow from the camera. The wide apertures matter here too. The front uses f1.5 and the rear uses f1.8. More light enters the lens, which translates to cleaner footage during low-light conditions. If you're working evening shifts, that's exactly where it counts. What's practical for rideshare drivers is the included 128GB microSD card. No separate purchase needed day one. The loop recording handles itself automatically, and the G-Sensor locks footage when it detects a collision. One less thing to manage during a long long shift. The Wi-Fi 6 connectivity allows transfers up to 20 megabytes per second through their app. If you need to send footage to insurance or review an incident quickly, that speed makes a real difference compared to slower connection. Now, here's what you need to keep in mind. For 24-hour parking mode, you'll need a separate hardwire kit. That's an additional purchase and installation step. Also, TERUNSOUl isn't exactly a household name yet, which might give some drivers pause. They do back it with an 18-month warranty and round-the-clock customer support, which helps offset that concern. For drivers looking for 3-channel peace of mind without a complicated initial setup, this delivers solid coverage at a reasonable entry point. The link is in the description.
These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you with zero spam. Link in the description.
Moving on to number 4. This one stands out for a very specific reason. It was designed with rideshare drivers in mind from the start. We've got the COOAU dual dash cam with GPL and Wi-Fi. What users who work rideshare highlight most is the interior cabin view. The front camera captures the road at 2.5K resolution with a 170-degree angle. That covers 6 to 8 lanes ahead. The interior camera runs at 1080p with a 150-degree field of view. Together, they record everything happening inside and outside your vehicle simultaneously. Now, here's the thing about night rides. The inside camera has 4 IR lights and an f1.8 aperture. What that means in plain English is your footage stays sharp even when it's pitch black inside the car. If a passenger ever causes damage or makes a false claim, you've got clear visual evidence. That kind of protection can literally save your skin and keep your driver rating intact. A detail that comes up repeatedly is the supercapacitor. Unlike batteries that can swell or even explode in summer heat, this handles temperature extremes from -4 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. For anyone doing 8 to 12-hour shifts in a hot car, that's genuine peace of mind knowing the camera won't fail mid-route. The built-in GPL logs your speed and location automatically. Loop recording supports cards up to 256 gigabytes, so storage management stays hands-off throughout your shift. One catch to keep in mind: parking mode requires a separate hardwire. It's not plug-and-play for 24-hour protection, but for recording during active rides, setup is straightforward with suction cup or adhesive option. The screen sits at 1.5 inches. Not flashy, but compact enough that it won't block your windshield. For drivers who need reliable interior footage without breaking the bank, this delivers where it counts. You'll find the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number 1. This is the one that kept coming up in my research as the go-to for rideshare drivers who take protection seriously. We've got the REDTIGER F17 for K3 channel dash cam. There's something that users highlight repeatedly about this model. The interior cabin view actually works at night. The IR night vision, combined with WDR and HDR technology, captures passenger behavior clearly, even on those dark late-night shifts. For anyone worried about false claims, that's the feature that can save your skin. The 3-channel setup gives you 4K resolution on the front, 1080 on both cabin and rear cameras. A detail that comes up repeatedly in opinions is the wide coverage. 150 degrees front, 160 for the cabin, 155 rear. That's close to 360 protection without leaving any blind spots where something questionable could happen off camera. One user summed it up well. They mentioned driving over a year with constant peace of mind, knowing everything inside and outside gets recorded. Now here's what you need to keep in mind. The 5G Wi-Fi is faster for transferring clips to your phone, but you still need patience with longer video. That said, being able to replay all 3 channels simultaneously on the REDTIGER app makes retrieving evidence quick when you actually need it. And the GPS logs speed and location data, which becomes crucial if something ends up with insurance. The supercapacitor is what matters for those long shifts. According to reviews from people with months of use, this handles extreme summer heat without shutting down or corrupting your files. No more worrying about the camera dying mid-ride. Analyzing the specs and real feedback, the hardwire kit for parking mode is sold separately. That's worth knowing up front. But for anyone doing this full-time who needs reliable loop recording, clear interior cabin view, and footage that holds up as insurance evidence, this one delivers where it counts. The link is in the description. Now you know which dash cams actually deliver clear cabin footage and which ones leave you without proof when a claim hits. Prices in this category change without warning, so if one stood out, the links are in the description.